What is up, my brothers? Today we are doing my last math reel before I have to do finals, which is great. So, yeah. First, let's do this one. Looks like you're multiplying the two parentheses together, so you just distribute. Yes. So, 6 times 3, that would be 18. I knew that. And then 6 times negative 4i, that would be negative 24i. Next, 7 times 3, that would be 21, I believe. Or wait, that's 7i times 3. My bad. So, it would be 21i. And then 7i times negative 4i, that would be negative 28i to the power of 2. So then, oh wait, I need to check something. Ignore all of this, wait, which one was this? Oh wait, I did it in files. Whoopsie. Ignore that. Here it is. Okay, so. Not sure how. Wait. Oh, right. Okay, now I know. Ignore these drawings. Personal stuff. Anyways. So, I to the power of 2 would be negative 1. So, wait. So, that would just make. Give me a second. That would make positive 28, because you have to times 28 by negative 1. And a negative equals a positive. So now all we have to do is combine like terms. So 18 plus 28, that would be 46. I already closed it. Wee ball. And then negative 24 plus 21, that would be negative 3. Well, we're checking again, because I can't remember. That would be the wrong thing. Okay. Yeah, okay. Wait a minute. 46. Okay, yeah. So then it would be that. I totally did that without having to look back at all. Okay. This one. I'm trying to remember. Okay, so with a fraction, we can just make the bottom one a root. So since it is a 2, it would be square root. We don't have to write the 2 because square root is the default for some reason. And so that would, if we got rid of that, that would make this an exponent. So we have 5ab all to the power of 3. And that's it, I believe. Okay, factor the polynomial by grouping. So grouping, you just separate parts of the problem into one thing. I'm just going to split it down the middle because I'm too lazy to think of how else to do it. So now we take out the greatest common factor of this side, which would, so there's x. I think that's it. So if we take out x, that would get us 2y plus 5. And then for this one, we can take out 3, but that wouldn't quite be it. So, hold on. 6. We could take out 6. Or we could take out negative 6, actually, which would leave us with 2y minus, not minus, we took out the negative, so it would be positive 5. So there, we have those two, and then we need to combine these two. So we have 2y plus 5 times x minus 6. There we go. And we have one last one. Yippee! Oh my gosh, I need to stop closing that tab. Anyways. Okay, so what are the solutions to the equation? So it looks like we just have to make this equal 0. So we would subtract 28x from both sides. That would leave us with 7x to the power of 3 minus 28x equals 0. Did I close out of it? Oh my gosh. Give me a moment, folks. I'm trying to remember how to do this. Okay. So then, can you tell that my memory sucks? So then, we just need to take out the greatest common factor, which would be 7. Yeah, 7x. So we have 7x parentheses x to the power of 2 minus, and then 28 divided by 7 would be 4 equals 0. I did it again. Oh my gosh. I'm leaving you open. Okay, and then, yes, we can further factor this. I'm trying to remember, guys. I'm trying my best. I promise. We can factor this even more, which would get us x minus 4 times x plus 4. And obviously, we already have the 7x. So the solutions, I don't know if it's asking for zeros. Yeah, it is asking for zeros. So, obviously. So, the root of this x would be 0 because 7 times 0 is 0. And then for this one, it would be I almost missed that. Okay, and then for this one, it would be positive 2. And for this one, it would be negative 2. So that means that our x's are 0 and positive or minus 2. Yippee! Hopefully this didn't run super long. Bye.